Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I am unboxing the November Glossybox. I have not seen what's inside yet, but I am very excited. So let's get into it. And look here, proof that I have not yet seen inside. So here is the box. It is a classic pink glossy box this month, and I'm just going to do everything I think at random. I'm not going to save best till last. I'm just going to take it as I find it. So the first thing that we've got is by Tiggy Bedhead, and this is a hard head hairspray, 77 grams. So it's a nice big, I'd call this a deluxe travel size. I really like Bedhead range. I think it's really good. So that is really good. And last time I bought hairspray, I was really shocked at how expensive it is. So that's pretty good if you actually do hairspray. And then next up, we've got something by Wild Science. This is the Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. I always need a new eye serum. Oh, look at that. I must have like sweaty eyelids today. I've had a eyeliner transfer. That's always nice, isn't it? Anyway, this is by Wild Science, and it is a Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. I do need a new eye serum. I haven't used one for quite a few weeks now because I've run out. So I am looking forward to this. This is the next item. And then next up we have by Pamper and Polish. These are polish pads, and these are reusable cleansing pads. I think they're basically to use in place of a cotton wool pad. So you get 2 of them inside, which honestly, these are really handy. I have not bought cotton pads in years because I have just been using basically these reusable ones. I find them really good. Some people put them in a little laundry bag when they wash them. I just throw them in the wash and I feel like they work fine. So these are always really handy. They're really good. You basically just use them as you would a cotton wool pad, but yeah, they're reusable. So less waste for the planet and a little bit of a saving for you. Ooh, and then next up, this is by the Beauty Crop. And at first glance, you might think, oh yeah, this is blusher. This is lip gloss. It is not, it's primer. I'm honestly not sure how I feel about this, but I feel like it must be okay because it's like primer. So you're not gonna see it on my skin red, and it probably doesn't go on your skin red anyway. But yeah, this is basically a gripping primer, and it is bright red. I've never seen that before. I've seen primers in like kind of color correcting peaches and greens, but I have never seen one in this color. That's bonkers. I will give it a go, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if it's really fun and cool or if it's like bonkers. But either way, I really like the Beauty Crop, and I'm gonna trust the process and give this a go. So that is the next item. Also, if it is good, it's a nice, generous 20ml tube. And then we have one more item, which is by Neutrogena. And this is the Clear and Defend Face Wash with 2% salicylic acid. It's meant to help breakouts and just generally help remove impurities. This is probably something I will say for either like when I'm at that time of the month and I'm more likely to have breakouts, or if I've been using a lot of makeup when I need a deep old cleanse. Or I might give it to somebody who is struggling with their skin and needs a little help, because this is a really good tester size to kind of give it a go and see how it works on your skin. And that, my friends, is this month's Glossybox. And just as a reminder, this is the entire contents. We've got the primer, we've got the face pads, we've got the face wash, we've got the eye serum, and we've got the hairspray. I think out of everything, my favourite items would probably be the hairspray or the eye serum, because I do actually need a new eye serum, and I do actually find Wild Science to be really good. But I'm also going to have fun trying out the primer. And to be fair, the face pads will also come as very useful as well. So that is the entire Glossybox. Let me know what you think of this month's box, and if you've got any questions, let me know, and I will see you again very soon. Goodbye!